Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KDA. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big down channel, and right now price line, after getting bounced from the support of this down channel, is going towards the resistance of this channel, and we will take a look whether is there any possibility that KDA is going to break out this resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to begin with this recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon. And I told my members that this is a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move, and from here we can expect a pump of KDA, a bullish reversal move. And I shared this setup almost 3 days ago, and that was a harmonic guardrail. And in fact, before that, KDA formed another guardrail move, and this was a previous guardrail that I shared with my members, by the way, in the month of March 2022. This was, you can see the buying zone was from $6.43 and goes to $5.93. And our sell targets were from $7.15 up to $7.90. Now, I've just played this chart, and you can see that the price line has rallied very well up to $7.93, and after that it has moved down. And this is the recent trade setup that I shared 3 days ago, and that was another harmonic guardrail move. And this was, by the way, on the 4-hour time frame chart, and it was against a Bitcoin pair. And our buying zone was from $7.43 and goes to $7.43 and goes to 0.0000726 BTC, and sell targets were from 767 to 793. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that we had a powerful pump that was beyond these sell targets, and right now still price line is moving above this sell zone of the harmonic bullish guardrail move. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can observe that KDA is moving inside a very long-term down channel. It was entered the channel here. Here we found the resistance of the channel on November 2021, and so far we are not able to break out this resistance, and we have several touch points at the support, several touch points at the resistance, and this is the recent bounce. And the good thing over here, the bullish gesture that we have here on this weekly time frame chart, is that we can see that here, while the price line is getting bounced from this support of the channel, at the same time, we have also received a bull cross between the blue line and the orange line by the stochastic oscillator from the oversold zone. You can see it is extremely oversold, and we have received the buying signal by the stochastic. And it is possible that now stochastic will turn bullish, and the price line will also continue to move up and break out the resistance of the channel, and the stochastic will completely visit the overbought zone. Now, if we watch the daily time frame chart, then here we can see that we have a horizontal resistance that we have at $1.85 and slightly uptrend line. So there is the formation of an ascending triangle. It seems to be like a parallel channel or wedge pattern, but you can see that we have a horizontal resistance and we have an uptrend line support. Now, for example, if price line continues to move inside this pattern, then it will be, you can see it is getting squeezed, and somewhere both lines can touch each other. Therefore, it is the formation of a ascending triangle, and right now we have reached the resistance of this triangle. At the same time, you can see that we have received a buying signal by the stochastic from the oversold zone, and we are having a very nice bounce from the support of the channel, and we are reaching the resistance of the channel. Now, for example, if KDA breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then our target to the upside will be here. That will be $2.22. And if we take a look at this resistance that we have, then we have this resistance at $2.15 approximately. And after breaking out, by the way, our target for this down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately $25. That will be very, very big move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, You can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.